Why are you here?
To get help.
What kind of help?
Brute force. I have to borrow Kit and Kitty for uno momento.
Where are you going with him, by the way?
With who?
Kitty.
To go grab our help.
Go grab your help.
Help. H-E-L-P.
Oh, you mean all the other raptors?
Yes.
Got it.
And Chompy.
The new and improved Chompy.
Oh man.
What?
Oh, do you need anything, Trent?
I'm fine. Refeeding. Taking him out.
I'm making more narcotic.
Alright.
You know you took all the narcotics with you.
Who did?
Pressure?
Yeah.
I have more.
I'm on my way back with our help.
Pressure, take. Okay. Where are you guys at? Which direction?
Well, if you give me a second to get back to base, you can come follow and look.
Alright. And there's... I'm just gonna bring Screech back.
Did you just clear out this area? Dark?
No, I haven't gone over there yet. You have to leave an area for it to respawn, so you might want to, like, walk away.
Oh, I'm about to do that with the Stego. I just don't want to go too far.
Okay, where's the others? Dark.
I put 71 on your bird. Did you get the ones off of Megatron?
Yeah, I got them all.
Alright.
So let me give you a little story about Chompy. He was abandoned as a young egg. These raptors decided to take the egg and they were going to eat it. They saw something unique about this egg. It kind of resembled their eggs.
Hey, Pressure.
Yes.
While you're talking, we should be getting food too.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for Dark.
He ran outside. He's making 71's a good start. I've got a bird.
I was gonna go out to where you guys are.
Yeah. Well, you need to go now.
Alright, I'm right here.
Grab a raptor. Did someone unfollow mine? Ah, you did.
Where are we going?
Who unfollowed?
Which way are we going?
Well, I gotta make all these follow again, so...
Oh, jeez, my bad. It was me. Because I landed my bird and I did it again.
User joined your channel.
I'm the worst at that.
Alright, what's up?
You're horrible.
Dark?
Oh, nothing. I was just stealing some berries off of George.
You're selling my narco berries?
No, I was stealing some normal berries, and I already stole some narco berries.
Stop stealing my narco berries.
Oh my god, you have almost 1,000 on your
Are you taking the cat?
I can leave the bird here or bring him and provide air support.
It's up to you.
That's something you just gotta keep to
So
yourself.
you can take the cap.
Okay.
Hey, Kush.
Watch
Yeah.
his stamina. is all.
I do plan on coming back to take more later, just to warn you. But I won't. I mean, I'm not gonna take them all, obviously. But
I'm farming too, so we're
Yeah.
like doing 6 things at once.
How far is the mammoth? Did you get him?
Dark, where are you?
right here.
Where's right here? Okay, you got a raptor. Let's go.
I'm getting
Between the 5 of us, we're taming 5 animals right now.
That's the way.
Do we have a Megalodon?
Yes.
Pink
Yep.
Really?
Level 60.
What? Little 60 Megalodon?
What are you doing, Kush? Are you just babysitting the Bronto?
I'm
Yeah.
the one taming the Bronto. Yeah.
Why don't you take the trike and grab more narco buddies?
I've been using the Stego.
Yeah, he was
Or-
using my
okay.
high-level stego.
You're grabbing narco berries too, right?
Yeah, dude. I have like a lot.
Okay.
Where's this beached thingy?
You'll see.
Yeah, but that's what's going on.
Why don't you? I'm gonna find you. And I'm gonna grab some narcotics and go ahead and stick a couple in him. I don't even need to get out the gate on the left side.
You know we need to actually get off our mountain hill, right? Pressure.
You don't get prime off these.
Doesn't matter. You still get twice the meat.
Okay.
Do we need meat? I mean,
We
I
need
thought we
prime.
needed meat.
We need prime.
Well, it's also needed meat for. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll just.
We need-
we'll hunt around.
We need both.
We need meat for narcotics. But I was,
We're gonna need both, regardless.
Now I'm gonna make a. What you call it?
Bronto's almost halfway.
Craft man.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm really excited for you.
Oh yay! Another like 4 hours.
Where's your Bronto at right now?
Like right next to our base.
No,
There's a stego right here.
not what it's meant. I mean, percentage-wise.
Watch the health on.
Like 50%.
Oh yeah, you got all night.
Yep. I started at 9:40, man. It's been like 3 hours.
Fucking thing.
Have fun.
Man, we need a lot more creatures to kill.
What else are we taming other than the Megalodon and the Bronto? Also a Mammoth?
The Anklo.
An
Yeah,
Anklet
an
too?
Anklet.
So that's all of what we're taming?
At the same time.
We're gonna have to get that Megalodon in our little oasis somehow.
You
There-
can't.
He's already got one right by him. We've got a perfect spot for him.
Well, and he's strong on his own, so he'll be able to survive wherever, to be honest.
Got one prime.
Yep.
Put that in my Bronto.
Hey Brandon,
Yeah.
don't get me mad. I killed the albino wreck.
Do what?
Albino wreck.
Yeah, it happens.
He was stuck though, so I could have tamed him, but I ain't gonna fucking tame him on top of this mountain.
What level's purple?
45, I think.
45.
I'll grab it. I'm right by it. I've
Right.
got a preserving bin made.
Where are you guys at, by the way?
Aren't you with, Oh, I see you. Just stay there.
I'm up at the purple drop. Where is your fish? That's what I want to know mostly.
If you look directly left,
My left, okay.
where is this thing? It's not going to be here for a minute. Follow the coastline, down to the left. Yeah, that's going to be that. That's going to take a while. Yeah, just keep going that way, to your right now. Follow me. Above you, in front of you.
Down here?
Follow me.
I
See me?
don't see you on my... I don't see you anywhere.
I see you.
I'm circling. I really don't see you for some reason.
I'm in the air.
Oh, there you're over there farther. I was looking higher up in the air for some reason.
I'll land over here anyway. Yeah, keep going down the coast that way.
Is he in this little spot right here?
No, keep going.
Should I start
Well, I
the
know where to
tape?
find a lot of raptors.
Do you how much meat you got?
A lot.
Throw it on him. Let's see if they'll let me put a preserving bin on this thing.
Oh, he ate that. He ate that quick.
Make sure you have a lot of other meat on him.
He does.
Am I still that blind?
Why is he taming that quick?
Keep
It's
going
just not
until you run
considered
into
a
all the
pig.
car. Keep running until you run into the Carno and the things on the beach. Follow the beach.
I keep on thinking you guys are much closer for some reason.
No, no, man.
Then whose thatch house is that?
Did you go back to the thatch house?
No, I didn't.
You're funny.
I see him.
Oh, I see you guys out there.
I forgot I had this going. Follow.
I'm gonna go farm again. Kitty.
You know what's funny?
What?
I can set this.
Stigo.
I can set this bin on the ocean floor in between these two rocks. You want me to do that?
What?
Yeah. And it's got spark powder in it.
I mean, is it a boat? Is it underwater?
Yep.
Huh.
Yeah.